Welcome to Melaka, the city here in Malaysia that was colonized by Portugal, the Dutch, and the British. Yes, Melaka was a port here. Many sailors come here to trade. And after the Portuguese arrived and they construct many things, the Dutch arrived here. They construct this church, this so beautiful church. This is a Protestant church. I'm going inside there to show you. And it's so nice. It's full of history, full of arts, culture. I'm loving Malacca, and I'm gonna show everything to you. Let's take a look. And the color of my clothes is just the same, yeah? Same color. So this is the church, guys. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Let's remember that this is not a Catholic church. It's a Protestant church. My religion, I'm a Protestant, so that's my place. That's cool. This behind me is the Bastion Frederick Hendrik. It was a fort made by the Portuguese. Today we don't have much of this, but let's take a look. Crossing the bridge here, we're gonna arrive in the Chinatown. That's the river here. It's so beautiful, this place. My hair's flying, it's okay. And let's take a look, the Chinatown. Selamat datang ke Jonker Walk. Taman Warisan Dunia Jonker Walk. Let's take a look. The father of bodybuilders in Malaysia. Okay. I'm here in this other street now. It's a little bit peaceful and there's a lot of temples here. Look at this, for example. It's a Chinese temple. It's so big. Let's take a look. There are more temples over there. There's a masjid, the mosque. Let's see, let's see. This is not only a Buddhist temple. Many religions are worshipped here. Taoism, Confucianism, Buddhism. So it's a mix of many Chinese religions. This one's the Sheng Hong Tang Temple. There's a lot of people here. Let's go inside. They offer water here because it's so hot outside, so I just get my water, let's drink. And so beautiful, the temple, look at this. It's amazing, I love it. This is the most, guys, but it's a Friday now. It's a Friday now, so they're praying. I cannot go inside, they're just gonna show by here. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. سمع الله لمن حمده. الله أكبر.
Now I'm going to eat pork noodles. I'm sorry guys, it's haram, but I'm not Muslim, so I can eat. Let's take a look, let's see if it's good or not. Yeah, I want this one, no spicy and no fish. No fish balls, any fish. Let's try. Before it was so difficult for me to use this one, but I learned already, so... I see. I can use it. It's really good. Now let's try the pork. Haram, but it's so good. It's really good. Guys, there's a lot of fish here. Look at this. A lot of fish. I just bought bread for the fish. Let's see if they like bread. Already?
Alright. Do you want?
They didn't like my bread. That's so sad. I'm gonna cry. And this is St. Paul Church, a Portuguese style church, the oldest Portuguese church here in Malaysia and all Southeast Asia. Let's take a look, how is it? And also from here we can see the view of the city of Melaka. It's so beautiful, look at this. Nice, yeah? Now I'm going to visit A Famosa. Yeah, there's a door, and the name A Famosa is in Portuguese, my native language. So let's take a look. Let's take care because I'm going down the steps. I don't want to fall down. And let's see the A Famosa. Yeah guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, okay? Please like. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe and activate the notifications because this is really important for me. I'm gonna make many videos here in Melaka. That's only the first one, so be here because I'm gonna upload many other videos, interesting videos. Okay, thank you very much. Kisses. Bye bye.